it really means a lot for us. So we were working on this software for quite a while now, and being recognized for all this hard work with the team, that's really nice, and it really means a lot for us. Flashboard, so that sounds a bit strange maybe. And our mascot is Flash, so he's a solar superhero, and he fights like evil coal, for example. And so our product is a very advanced dashboard, and then we combine the two into Flash plus dashboard, which made Flashboard then for us. Yeah, so the Flashboard combines not only visualization of big data, but also the analysis of the big data. A lot of our customers have their standard tools. They even sometimes use only Excel. And we wanted to give them a tool with which they can analyze the data in a really fast way and get really fast the information out of their data, which they need for improving their production processes. The Flashboard is quite versatile. So we have deployed that to lab scale customers. So where we have only like 1 or 2 flashers which gather the data. And we have also sold it to customers which use a Flashboard in a multi-gigawatt fab. We even have customers who combine the data from our flashers with the data from our MES system and then do a combined analysis with a Flashboard. Yeah, so on first sight, they're always really excited because they immediately see the capability of this tool. Once we go into the process, we see that a lot of the customers are really like their Excel tools. It's a process together with the customers, so to adapt the Flashboard to their needs and bring the analysis which they have already established in Excel, for example, into the Flashboard. And then often they see how much faster and how much more capability the Flashboard then gives them. And then they really get excited about it. We do see quite a range. Originally, we started with a Flashboard to be able to analyze the data from our flashers alone, but then we realized whatever data we have on top of that can be used in the Flashboard and can make the analysis much better. For the customers, it's really so some customers do gather data at individual machines, but then really need to combine it by hand. We have even customers running around the production with USB sticks. And on the other hand, we have customers who have really sophisticated MES systems, data analysis. They have large databases where all the data from the production flows into. On this data, it's really fun to apply the Flashboard and analyze this big data sets. The great advantage of the Flashboard is due to this machine learning capability, we can put a lot of data in there. We don't need to go through all the data and decide, do we want to use it or not? The Flashboard does that for us. One of the main points is when you are in some kind of ramp-up situation. So you have a new fab or maybe only a new tool set, or you change your technology in the production, so maybe going from PERC to TOPCon. And so in these situations where your production changes a lot day by day, this data analysis really shines. So there you get a fast feedback. Every morning you just go through the analysis, and in a couple of minutes you have all the analysis available and then can go to your machines and optimize your production. On the other hand, if you have a stable running production, the really high sensitivity to changes in your production can also still help you to see problems coming up before they really occur or have an impact on your whole production. So this is one of the main points of the Flashboard, to really see what is the difference between a good running line, a bad running line. So the more data you get, the better this analysis gets. Doesn't matter if you put in data from different line from one fab, or you can even compare different fabs across even different countries, as long as the data has the same format, so to say. It's all possible. Yeah, it's always a major concern. So we talked to a lot of our customers in the beginning, and so how to give them the Flashboard, so to say. And we realized that a lot of our customers are really sensitive on their data, so they don't want to give it out, hand it out. And so that's why the Flashboard is running locally in the fab. And it's not like a cloud service. We give them the software, they install it locally in their network, and then they use it. And normally we don't have access to their data afterwards. So they really need to give us the access if we want to work on their data together. So the next step, what we are looking right now into, is using the Flashboard for tandem perovskite silicon tandem cells. There's a lot to be learned, and we learn a lot together with the community. I think that will be really interesting to see how the Flashboard can help ramping up this super new technologies there.